Okay, this is my graphic organizer for teaching writing, chapter 1, and I've highlighted in colors the main topics that I got out of this reading. So the writing process, writer's workshop, implementing writer's workshop, and accommodating English language learners. For each of these main topics, I've branched out and shown the different components of it. So for the writing process, I put the different stages, which is pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. And you can see from each of these branches what each of those consist of. And then for Writer's Workshop, I showed the different parts of Writer's Workshop, which is independent writing, mini lessons, monitoring progress, read aloud, and sharing. And just talked a little bit about the important parts of each of those. And then for implementing Writer's Workshop, this is kind of more just procedural. So it talked about introducing the writing process and what the teacher needs to do to help the students be ready to get into the process. How the classroom should be arranged, just the basics of making sure that this is set up for a successful workshop. Creating a community of writers. So it's just important to show or to establish respect, high expectations, and make it a secure place so that the students are comfortable sharing their work with everybody. Incorporating technology, using computers and things like that, and then expanding across curriculum. And then my last main topic here is accommodating the English language learners, and you can see a list here of things to be wary of and things to do to help these language learners. So minimal use of writing strategies, we don't want to overwhelm them all at once. Recognize that some organizational patterns in our language are unfamiliar with them because it may be different in their language. Realize they have limited vocabulary and just need extra help with that. Don't be excessively concerned with conventions. We just need to focus on the basics first. And then using direct plan instruction is important. Collaborative writing activities are important so they can get help from peers, and authentic writing activities are important because they relate to the real world and help make those connections better. So that's what I got from this chapter, and that's how I've organized it here on this chart.